Collections literals in Python programming language. Hi there, welcome to this lesson. Basically, there are 4 different literal collections in Python programming language: list literals, tuple literals, dictionary literals, and set literals. And previously we have talked about these types of data. So let's take a simple example to show them. Here in this program we have a list at first, then tuple, then dictionary, and after that the last one is a set. These are all kinds of literal collections in Python programming language. That's it, very simple. Try to use them by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.